Trade recap. Crazy trades, crazy bangers. I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, and simple. Standard deviation, rejection blocks, order blocks, optimal trade entry, discount and premium. That's it. That's it. Three things: deviation level, discount premium, rejection blocks. 10 a.m. key open. Four things. My fault. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into the morning. 9:20. What do we want to look for? Deviation levels. Price tanked overnight. We're either gonna accumulate or we're gonna bounce. I want to catch the bounce. What do I need to catch the bounce? My level. -4, -2 to -2.5. No longer valid. Motherfucker got ran through. Now we want to stack confluences. What do we have here? We have, okay, we have an order block right there. We have a rejection block right here. All hourly, by the way. Higher time frame, more weight. So this is my point of interest right now, right? For New York AM Open. So now I want the 1 minute to match with that. So what I do, I wait for a 1 minute manipulation leg and displacement out right here. Manipulation leg -4 pairs up with the 1 hour -4 inside this rejection block. Put a limit in right here. Buy. I guess you could TP right here or whatever. I went in like 40 contracts because I sent it was an eval, right? What happens during market open? Get filled. Okay, so this now I hop on my funded. That was on the eval. I hop on my funded. I want continuation longs because we're still in -4 the 1 minute, -4 the hourly, and we're rejecting out of this hourly rejection block, right? So I'm gonna clear up this out real quick. So normally I would entry trigger either CE of this or the start of this rejection block. I usually do 10 to 15, maybe 20 point stop. In this case, I would risk to go here to here from my stop. But I also take OTE entries right here, which is why this is golden. Because I like that level too, especially when it makes sense. In this case, it makes sense. It's New York Open, price is volatile. Price is going to just go in a discount, should shoot right back up. If going higher is the initial draw on liquidity. So what do? On my funded, smack a long right here. Bow. 10 micros. A mini. 40 point stop. $200. Take profit at this high. I had a consistency rule, so I had to close early. But whatever. It's just smacks. So already, entry here. Entry here. Keep those in mind. By this point on, we're up 700 ticks. So now we're good with the longs until 10 a.m. We wait for 10 a.m. because we've been studying 10 a.m. more. I've been studying 10 a.m. more. So now price rallies up. 10 a.m. opens up right here. But at this point, we're up 1,500 ticks. I want to see lower now because it has to go lower to go higher. This is a nice expansion. What do we look for to stack with that? 30-minute rejection block. Right? Money. Take the 3-minute deviation. And what does that align with? Exactly. Right here. I call this level out right here. 10:03, I call this level out. Boom. I say put a sell at 30.033. And what ends up happening? I get filled in and it rallies. Now I could also tell you the same thing. Same thing applies right here. You ready for this? Low to high. right? You can see your TP right here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You can, yeah, as I was gonna say, you can see your TP right here, and you can also limit this 7.79 range right back up to these longs. It's easy as that. Just bouncing reactions, bouncing reactions, bouncing reaction. When you're risking heavy, you can risk $200 and make $600, $800, $1,000. It's pretty easy. That's how I've been doing it, and that's my trade recap for the day. That's how I trade on a day-to-day basis. I look for deviation levels and 10 a.m. key open and rejection blocks. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And I make sure I'm buying a discount, selling in premium. That's it. That's it for today.